In this video, you are watching the French door designs for inspirations. If you are looking for French door interior design ideas, then you are at the right place. Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to welcome you on my channel Home Interiors. Basically, if I talk about the French doors, so French doors speak class and elegance to any home. Just by looking at them, they give off an elegant feel that is very attractive to most people. They are a work of art in their own right. They add not only sophistication but value as well. That is why a lot of homes enjoy utilizing them. Since there is a lot of glass involved, they let in a lot of light that adds warmth to the interior of the home. They are also practical since in letting in a lot of light, you can save energy as well. They have a certain appeal that is not just simple but also eye-catching. For this video, we are featuring the beautiful and the latest collection of French doors for inspiration with different styles, quality and color. They can be placed in any area of the home, like in your bedroom, in your living room, in your dining area, in your kitchen and etc., allowing a lot of natural light in that adds a certain charm and beauty. Feel free to check them out and enjoy this video. Here you are watching and I am showing you the beautiful designs of French interior doors. French doors and windows utilize at its best since it found in the walls of this home, giving an appearance of openness and elegance. French doors are really a great addition to any home. They have a certain charm and beauty that is appealing to anyone. They also last long and can be designed according to the style of the home. French doors will never go out of style because of their charm, beauty and elegance.